My new wireless earbuds just came today, and I'm doing an unboxing for you, so you'll be able to tell exactly what's in the box. You're going to see it as I see it. Okay, first things first, let's get it out of here. Open my scissors and split the plastic. All right, I'm pretty excited about these. What I wanted to be able to do was, I like to go down to the river, and I needed some that were waterproof, and I also needed to be able to get phone calls on it, and get my work done without getting interrupted. Okay, here we go. This is what's in the box. Okay. Actually, you know, I'm pretty excited about this. I really wanted these for quite some time. Upside down. Flip it out. Okay, look at this case. Totally cool. Look. That rocks. Wow, I like that. Nice case. I've never had it. The other cases I have that have zips and stuff, they're a pain in the ankle biter. But look at this. Okay, here's the earbuds. Wow. They look cool. Okay. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm supposed to be showing you exactly what's in the box. I'm just so excited about the earbuds that I'm not paying attention. Okay. Oh, did you see that? Rock and roll. Okay. So there's the earbuds. Okay, I can't wait. I have to try one on. Hang on one second. There we go. I'm putting it in my ear. You know what? It's like way comfortable. I really like this. It's pretty darn cool. All right, good for one. Let me try the other one. That is awesome. Okay, so these are going to be comfortable to wear because when I'm down at the river, oh, did you hear that? Magnetic, right? So when I'm down at the river, I don't want to mess with my hand. You know, I'm in the water, I'm collecting rocks, I'm playing with the dogs, I'm doing whatever, and I don't want to have to fuss with my phone ringing and going to go get it and blah, blah, blah. And I'm hoping that there will be enough power that from the bank to where I am in the river, that there, and I'm not swimming, it's just fairly shallow, that there will be enough power that I can take phone calls and stuff. I run a charity, and people have to get a hold of me ASAP because I do crisis charity. Anyway, I got so caught up on this. I didn't show you what else is in the box. Let's go for it. This came out of the case too. Let's see what we got going here. Okay. That is a C charger. Yes. Alrighty. Let's undo that. The quality feels really good with these, you know? Like sometimes you get things in their junk. This feels really good, and I like the fact it's flat instead of rounded. It's just easier to hang on to it without rolling around. Okay, so that's the cord. I'm looking for a manual. That's my biggie deal. Yes! Now, manuals mean a big deal to me. It's kind of hard when I get a manual and you can't really understand it. And see, I'm seeing Chinese already. Let's check this thing out. Okay. Quick Start Manual has a product overview, sports clip, multifunction button, LED indicator. We already saw that. Charging contacts, ear tips, charging case, which I love this case. Man, that is so totally cool. I absolutely love that case. That rocks. And I love the fact that it's magnetic and it just clips right in there. That's a 5 for me. Out of 5, that's a total 5+. Okay, power on and off. Take the earphones out of the charging case and the earbuds will be automatically powered on. Yes, we see that. Mine are working great, right? When the earbuds powers on, put the earbuds into charging, blah, blah, blah. Okay. The earbuds can be powered on, can be power off and charging. Okay. Now, that was the next thing I was looking for, was the tips. It should have small, medium, large tips. Where are they? They gotta be somewhere. Obviously, this is where you charge it, right? It's going to go in here and you charge it here. Push that in. And then you can put this in your computer, or you can have an adapter plug in the wall, plug it in your car. Tips. Help me out here, guys. So there's some more stuff in here. I need the tips. I have very delicate, tiny ears. Yes! Okay. Liking this. There we go. Do I get excited about stuff like this? You bet I do. I'm a techie fanatic, and I like my Bluetooth and my iPods and my earbuds. I like all that stuff. And I really do need the smaller tips on this. They're comfortable, but I could tell with the tips that are on it now, they're large enough that if you smile or talk or something, they're going to come off. And this should be as simple. Okay, there's the small size. I'm going to put it on here so you can see it. That's why I've got it on my mouse pad so you can see it. That should be medium. Here's small. Okay. That should just pull off. Okay, there we go. This is the one I want to put on. The smaller, it should just push directly on. Come on. Here, kitty, kitty. Bingo. Okay, rock and roll. Okay, ready? Here we go. Putting them in. Yes, that is much better. The small tips are much better for my ears. More stable. I'm moving, you can't see my face, but I'm moving my mouth around everything and it's staying put. I really like these. I think the small tips are going to be better for me. So that's one. Again, we're going to do it on the other one. Here it comes. That comes off. Super simple, super easy. That was the medium size. And the small ones, you just very, very gently put it on there. Rock and roll, lock and load. I do like this. Yes. Okay. All right. So that was your unboxing. I like this. That's your unboxing. Totally cool case. Love the case. Totally cool earbuds. Love the earbuds. Easy to deal with. Like the manual. When I can open the manual and it gets me right to where I need immediately. Look, it's got pictures in here. Shows you how to do it. There's the tips we were talking about. And then it goes into other languages, which is good. But you know what I really like too is it's written properly in English so that you can completely understand it. That is awesome. Oh, okay. I'm pretty excited about this. And I'm going to show you where I'm going to send you to with a link. This is the website you get it from. This is actually on Amazon, and you can read. It says Monster Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth. If I put on ear, it's got everything right here. And I want to show you something else. A lot of people don't do this when they're doing videos. You need to. You need to be able to go look at it. Has a lot more information on the page about the item. You're going to be able to go there with the link. And you know what? I also want to tell you, this thing isn't going to break the bank. Very, very reasonable price for it. Lots of information on the listing. I'm really happy with it. I'm not going to show you more because you can look for it yourself. But I am thrilled to death. See, it does not break the bank. And they're wonderful. And I got to tell you, that's the most awesome case I've ever had. None of the zip up things, floating around your purse things. It's really cool. Out of 5 stars, I give it like 10. It's A+. I'm really happy with it. Now I can barely wait to charge it and try out the sound.